I thought doing something creative is the best way to be non-verbal, to communicate with visuals. Means you don't need typical languages or like certain alphabet to communicate with someone. I'm Takuma Nakata. I'm an interaction designer, experiential designer based in Kyoto. I started my career as a motion designer, and at some point I realized that I was more interested in seeing how people interact with my work. So I decided to study programming so that I would be able to design something more physical. My project is basically about spreading the world of real-time graphics and also the world of interaction design. Interaction design means to design something in between human and technology or human and something. So it really interests me on bringing my digital work to a physical space, and I really want to focus on that. I use programming to generate a visual. I only use code to generate a graphic, which is something kind of new, which a lot of people still don't know. So I want to spread that concept to more people, how easy it is to program and how fantastic it is to generate a graphic. I would describe myself as a nerd, but a light nerd. I keep my eyes to everything wherever I go. I think a lot of people see me that I'm looking at everywhere. I'm getting really distracted with people walking beside or like how high the building is, like the shape of the cloud. I'm just looking everywhere, and at some point it just comes up like, maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that.